What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about RLGY on the stock ticker. We'll go ahead and do the 15-minute chart today. This stock gapped up in pre-market, as you can see, from 517 all the way up to 816 before pulling back. And then at market open, we went from about 672 and then dropped down to 588 quick, found support at 570. And we have pretty much range inside 570 to 630 throughout the day. So I know a lot of people traded this one. Usually I would not trade this stock because the share flow is so high. But let's talk about why this gapped up. They did have some positive news today where Amazon and RLGY partnership, they announced a partnership to where clients who purchase a home through them will receive $5,000 in products and services from Amazon. So definitely a big move here by Amazon and RLGY to take new foothold in the housing market. That's very interesting. So that's obviously why we gapped up pre-market like this. We did pull back and we found support at 568 or 570 around there. So that's what we'll be talking about. Now, if you're holding stock, if you're looking to trade it tomorrow, you're looking to short it, you're looking to buy it, whatever the case may be, I'll tell you what I'm going to be looking for. First things first, though, let's go ahead and draw our support and resistance really quick, just to give us a clean slate here. We got our resistance up here at $6.30. We got our support down here at 570. And then we'll go ahead and put our median at about $6. Now let's go ahead and zoom in here. Again, like we were talking, for me, what I want to see, I'm going to be looking to trade this bullish tomorrow. But what I want to see first is I want to see us break above this 630 level here. I want to see a clean break above 630. I want to see that bullish momentum return. I want to see this, right? I want to see some crazy bullish moves. We want to see that break above 630. So what I would do, if you're wondering how would you know when it broke, go ahead and set an alert here at 630. That way you know. It's very easy on many platforms to do that. Next thing we want to see is we want to see a retest off this 630. That way we know that we're not going back down like this, right? Or like this. We want to see it come up, break 630, pull back just a little bit, stabilize, give us some sort of bullish momentum, give us some bullish reversal candles. Next thing we want to see is, for me personally, I always have my order ready right above that pullback point. So that way when the bullish momentum does return, I'm ready and I just ride that. And I would ride that up to this next resistance up here at 680. So this is the bullish move that I'll be looking for to trade tomorrow, as I want to see a break above 630. I want to see it pull back, retest, so we know we're not going down. I want to see it stabilize. I want to see bullish momentum kick in. And I want to see very small bearish candles. I want to see reversal bullish candles. That's what we want to see. Shooting stars, hammers, whatever the case may be. And then watch for that momentum to return. Have your order above that pullback point, so when it does come in, you can ride it up to this next resistance up here at 680. Now, if you're holding stock, you obviously want to watch out for it to come back down. If you bought up in here, because some people did buy up here. Or if you're looking to short it, we will talk about if you're looking to short it. Obviously, if you're holding stock, you want to watch out for this too. But if you're looking to short this play, the level that you want to watch is $6. So we're already sitting on there. This is the median here. We're already sitting there. We are sitting on top of the VWAP and moving average. So it's pretty much undecided at this point going into tomorrow. Next thing that we would want to see if we were shorting this stock, we want to see it come back up and retest off the $6, just like up here how we broke through, retest. We want to see it break through, retest, and get rejected. We don't want to see it come back up here because that's not giving us any confirmation. That's just basically ranging back in the zone, and then it can make 100 different moves from there. So what we're going to focus on is we want to see it get rejected off this $6. We want to see that bearish momentum return in this case. And then just like up here, how we have our order ready, right above that pullback point, wherever that may be. You know, it might be up here, it might be down here, but we're just going to do this for example. We want to see it break through, come back, retest off the $6 level, get rejected. We want to see that bearish momentum kick in. We want to see bearish reversal candles. Once we have that momentum break through, we're already in the trade, and we ride it down to this next support down here at 570. Sell 3/4 your position. Just like here, you'd sell 3/4 your position. That's what I do anyways. You do whatever you want, whatever you think is best. Obviously, I am not a financial advisor. I am just here giving you the education of how you would trade this, of how I would trade this, and you take it how you please. So that's the two moves that I would personally look out for. These two levels are crucial, this $6 level and this $6.30. If we break below 6, I would expect bearish momentum to pull us lower. If we break above 630, I would expect the bullish momentum to take us higher, of course, as long as we stabilize and have reversal candles. That is key. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It keeps me doing these videos every single day for you guys. And also, don't forget on pennystockwarriors.com, we offer our trading course and our penny stock signals that are some of the best in the industry. I can almost guarantee that you're going to make some huge profits off them. And you know, most of them come from me, and I do this every single day, 24 hours a day, nonstop. So I really appreciate it. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Tyler out.